Greetings Mark Brown. We're going to be looking at how we can use shape as text box right here on this Microsoft Word document. So the first thing that we wanted to do, definitely we're going to go up to the top right here, and notice these are the tabs. So I'm going to focus on insert tab, and now click on insert tab. Normally I use text box, but I'm going to show you again shape as the same thing as text box. We're going to click right here. Alright, so notice shape come down. Alright, so I want to use this one. You notice it become a plus. I'm going to draw it just like that. But if you notice color, that I can actually change it. I can actually come like that. You notice inside it. But if I want the outer area dark, you notice I can actually change the shape to what I want, but I want this one right there. But if you notice, if I click in it, I can't type anything in it. Now for me to type, I have to right click. Now when I right click, it gives me the option that says add text. You notice right here, so I'm going to type something nice. Say greetings. So now I have greetings right there. When I click outside, there you go. Right, but can this outline move? When I click on the outline, you notice right up here format. So I'm going to click here. You notice shape fill, click on the look pointer. Alright, I'm going to click on no fill. So I'm going to go right back to shape outline, click on the look pointer, go down and say no outline. But if you notice right now, you realize the same way you do it in a text box, same thing you can do it in shapes. Right, so this is how you can use shape as text box. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.